Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect lithium cells in series. Connecting cells in series increases the overall voltage of your battery pack, which is crucial for many applications. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and insulated gloves. It is absolutely essential that all your individual lithium cells are at the same state of charge, ideally within 10 millivolts of each other, to prevent issues during the initial connection. Selecting the right cells is paramount for a reliable series connection. Always choose cells that are identical in capacity, internal resistance, and chemistry. Mismatched cells can lead to premature degradation and safety hazards. Before making any connections, carefully measure and balance each cell's voltage to ensure they are within a very tight tolerance, ideally 10 millivolts. Finally, clean all cell terminals thoroughly to guarantee excellent electrical contact and minimize resistance. Now, let's talk about the actual wiring. To connect cells in series, you will link the positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of the next cell. Continue this pattern until all your cells are connected. It is vital to use wires and connectors that are appropriately sized to handle the maximum expected current of your application. Securely solder or crimp all connections to prevent any loose contacts, which can cause resistance, heat, and potential failure. After connecting your cells, integrating a battery management system, or BMS, is a critical next step. A BMS provides essential protection against overcharge, overdischarge, overcurrent, and also balances the individual cell voltages, significantly extending the lifespan and safety of your pack. Once the BMS is installed, carefully verify the total pack voltage and each individual cell voltage. Finally, perform a low-current discharge test to confirm everything is operating correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.